Blackview Fort 1 enters the rugged smartphone scene as a fortress in your pocket, combining practical engineering and future-ready technology for users who need total reliability in their work and adventures. Design and durability. Inspired by the steadfastness of fortified architecture, the Blackview Fort 1 offers a compact yet resilient profile, measuring 176.2 by 80.1 by 17.5 millimeters and weighing 390 grams, solid but surprisingly ergonomic in hand. Constructed with military-grade toughness, it boasts IP68 and IP69K certifications, plus MIL-STD-810H compliance to handle water immersion, dust storms and repeated drops. Reinforced corners and a thick back shell underline its shock resistance, while the aviation-grade metal frame is designed to survive hard use, whether on construction sites or out on remote trails. The lanyard hole ensures portable convenience for mounting or securing the device wherever duty calls. Display experience. The Fort 1 delivers a clear and immersive viewing experience with a 6.56-inch HD plus IPS LCD display, featuring a 20:9 aspect ratio and 269 ppi for sharp text and visuals. Panda glass with Mohs Level 8 hardness protects the screen, resisting scratches and impact far beyond typical consumer phones. Peak brightness measures 450 nits, making the device usable indoors and in moderate sunlight. Its intelligent 90 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures fluid animations and responsive scrolling, with Glove Mode 2.0 allowing full control even with gloves on, a genuine asset for fieldwork. The touch sampling rate of 180 Hz provides snappy responses, and iComfort modes reduce strain during long hours or late nights. Performance and features. Running Android 15 with Blackview's DocOS 4.2, the Fort 1 is powered by the efficient 12nm Unisoc T615 chipset, featuring octa-core architecture for balanced performance and battery efficiency. Users can choose between 128GB storage with 4GB RAM and 256GB storage with 6GB RAM. Both support microSD expansion up to a massive 2TB. Apps load quickly, web navigation is smooth, and multitasking is aided by AI enhancements. Durable enough for real job sites and light enough for everyday carry, it balances strength and usability. Camera capability. On the rear, the Fort 1 features a dual camera array with a 16MP main shooter and 2MP depth sensor, using AI to optimize clarity, color, and background separation. HDR, beauty mode, and night algorithms work automatically for lively social or professional photos. The camera delivers usable shots in most conditions, and video recording tops out at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The front-facing 8MP camera, also equipped with HDR, produces natural selfies and reliable video calls. AI-powered magic eraser functions allow instant removal of background clutter, ideal for product shots or remote inspections. Battery life. Battery stamina sets the Fort 1 apart from ordinary smartphones. Its enormous 10,000 mAh LiPo cell supports up to 48 days of standby power thanks to smart power management. Heavy users get full confidence in multi-day use, talk, browse, and game for hours without anxiety. Fast 18W charging gets the device ready in a fraction of the time, and reverse wired 5W output makes it a mobile power bank for crucial gear in emergencies. Connectivity and audio experience. Connectivity matches modern expectations with dual SIM support, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi AC, and Bluetooth 5.2. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou navigation keep users precise and connected in any corner of the map. NFC, FM radio, and USB Type-C OTG add versatility for transactions and external devices. While the absence of a 3.5mm jack is noticeable, the Smart K-Box loudspeaker delivers clear sound for calls and media. Security and utility. Essential security is provided by the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, offering reliable and quick access in wet or rugged scenarios. The phone's AI assistant and voice command capabilities support hands-free productivity in the field or on the move. Final thoughts. The Blackview Fort 1 stands as a robust companion for users who demand trustworthiness, extended endurance, and practical intelligence in their smartphone. Built for harsh environments and busy professionals, it combines a massive battery, ultra-tough shell, glove-friendly display, and AI-powered interface. For field technicians, adventurers, and those working on the edge, Fort 1 offers both reliability and smart performance in a rugged form that never quits.